Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we have a 2009 Ducati Monster 696. This naked style street bike is in excellent condition with a very gentle tip over on both sides. It's very minor, so I'll show you as we walk around. Plus this bike is pretty much stock, so ready to be customized by the new owner. Like I said, overall this bike is in excellent condition, even with a little bit of minor damage on both sides. Tires are still in good shape, got a lot of miles left on them. So we've got a little grind here on the lever and a little bit here on the bar end and grip. It also left a little dent in the tank here. You can kind of see it, kind of hard to see, but and cracked the mirror. So the one accessory that's on it is the paint-matched solo seat cowl. Back tire's in good shape, got a lot of miles left on that as well. And on the tip over on the left side here, we've got a little scratch on the exhaust. And a little spot here on the tank. And a little scuff on the back of the mirror. Like I said, the stuff that's on it is pretty minimal, so I'll show you those miles now. $5,085 is what's on it. I actually think I might be out of gas. I know it was getting low. Alright, this Ducati will be going through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30 to 8,000 mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this bike from us, you will get a discount on parts, labor, and accessories. Thank you for shopping SimplyStreetBikes.com.